Now let us start with your next poem, Pied Beauty, a short and a very beautiful poem. The poem is written by G.M. Hopkins, born in 1844, died in 1889, and he is again a Victorian poet. So let us start. Now, Pied Beauty simply means multicolored beauty. So the world is a multicolored one, and God is the creator of this world. Okay, so there is not only one color that dominates the world. The beauty of the world lies in its variety. Okay, so now let us start it. Glory be to God for dappled things. Okay, so uh, God is to be praised, for He has created this multicolored world. देखो ना हम glory be to God for dappled things. So, dappled things, multicolored or spotted surface with a variety of light and dark spots. So, dappled things ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. Glory be to God for dappled things, for skies of couple color as a brinded cow. So, God is to be praised because there are many colors in this world, and God is also to be praised for skies of couple color. Couple color simply means two colors, white and blue. Okay, so even sky has a variety of color, just as a brinded cow. Okay, so brinded cow is again a cow whose hide has two colors. Okay, a cow of two colors. देखो ना, brinded cow. So it is again, it is white and it also has black patches. So देखो ना, so the sky is compared to a brinded cow, for rose moles all in stipple upon trout that swim. Here again, uh, God has created the trout fish that has pink spots on its surface. So God's glory can be seen in this fish, the trout that swims around with rose-colored skin spotted with black. It has black spots. So God is the creator of all these things. Fresh fire coal, chestnut falls. So let us get back to the poem. देखो है ना, fresh fire coal, chestnut falls. Here again, the poet talks about the beauty of chestnut. Now, what is chestnut? Chestnut is simply an edible nut. Okay, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਖਾਣ ਵਾਲੇ nuts ਹੈਗੇ ਆ. Okay, so it also has two colors. Clear? On the surface, it appears to have brown color. Clear? But when it falls on the ground, it breaks open and it shows the reddish brown color that is within. Clear? So it looks like fresh fire coal when it falls down. Clear? Because then it has two colors. Clear? And next line देखो, fresh fire coal, chestnut falls, finch's wings. Again, the creativity of God can be seen in the beautiful colors of finches. Okay? Finch is a songbird. Okay? So, ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਇਹਦੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੰਖ ਹੁੰਦੇ, it has multicolored wings. The body also has many colors on it. Okay? So again, the beauty of this world can be seen in the wings of the finches. Okay? That has a variety of colors. A landscape plotted and pieced, fold, fallow, and plow. Yes, so then again there is a variety in the landscape also. Okay, there is the green fold, then the plowed land, and then the uncultivated fallow land. Fallow land ਕਿਹੜੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੰਜਰ ਪਈ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਯੂਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਐਗਰੀਕਲਚਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. So even the landscape has a great deal of variety. Yeah. It seems that many plots of land are pieced and stitched together. ਕਿ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਮੀਨ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ, ਕਈ ਹੈਗੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪੂਰੀ ਹਰੀ ਹਰੀ ਹੈ, ਗ੍ਰੀਨ ਫੋਲਡ, ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਫੈਲੋ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੋਈ ਗ੍ਰੀਨਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ, ਐਂਡ ਪਲਾਓ ਮੀਨਸ ਦ ਕਲਟੀਵੇਟਿਡ ਲੈਂਡ, ਜਿਹਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਖੇਤੀ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, ਐਂਡ ਆਲ ਟ੍ਰੇਡਸ ਦੇਅਰ ਗੀਅਰ ਐਂਡ ਟੈਕਲ ਐਂਡ ਟ੍ਰਿਮ. Here again variety can be seen the in the variety of the trades, occupations, ਕਿੰਨੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੰਮ ਹੈਗੇ. Their gear and tackle and trim, and their equipment has also a lot of diversity. Gear and tackle ਦਾ ਹੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ equipment, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹਰ occupation ਦੇ ਲੋਕ ਅਲੱਗ-ਅਲੱਗ equipment ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੈ. And even their trim simply means even their you may say even their dresses have a lot of variety. Okay? So their equipment also has a lot of variety. All things counter, original, spare, strange. So the creativity of God can be seen in the variety of human beings that he has created. And apart from human beings, all the things that he has created, there are many things. Some are counter means they are the exact opposite of the other things. Okay? And then some are original, but some are strange, and some are spare. It seems as if there is no need for that thing, and that thing is there, spare and strange. Okay? So he admires the originality and the oddness or strangeness, okay, which makes them precious because they are different from others. All things counter, original, spare, strange, ਕਿ ਹਰ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ. Some are odd, ਅਜੀਬੋ ਗਰੀਬ ਹੈ. Whatever is fickle, freckled, who knows how. So ਕਿਉਂ freckled ਦਾ again ਕੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ? Spotted. Fickle means which does not have much depth. So there are many things, and who knows how. And what was the reason behind their creation? Why was such variety introduced by God? Nobody knows. With swift, slow, sweet, sour, a dazzle, dim. So there are many things and many creatures. Some are fast, some are slow. Some things are sweet and some things are sour. कई खट्टियाँ चीज़ां हैं. Some are a dazzle. A dazzle means some are very bright in color, and some are dim. Dim means some are dull in color. He fathers forth whose beauty is past change. Praise him. Here the only thing that is unchanged forever is the creator, that is God, who is the father of all creation. Here only the beauty of God is unchanged. Yes, so again an easy and a very beautiful poem. I hope you have understood the poet and his this poem. So now I make an end.